This is a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 HD. It's got the Cummins turbo diesel. It's two-wheel drive. Lots of tread left. Has the Weston chrome steps. Trailer mirrors with your blinker. There, extend. There's your clearance lights. Has the AVS window guards on the top. Dark window tint. Manual transmission. Dark gray cloth. 40-20-40 split bench. Little storage cubby. Auxiliary USB and the 12 volt. Reverse parking sensors in your trailer brake. There's another USB port. The dual glove box. The owner's manual. Gray cloth seats. You flip up and you have your storage underneath. And then your air vents in the back. Has a power sliding rear glass. Reverse parking sensors. There's your tow package. Backup camera. And then it has the REESE Pro Series 20K fifth wheel receiver. It's an SLT trim. It's got the chrome rims. And it has the front windshield visor tint. Here are power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and there's your locking rear window button. Automatic headlights. Just under 60,000 miles. Your Bluetooth, cruise control, AM and FM radio, and as well as XM radio. You have a backup camera. There's single zone climate control. There's another 12 volt. There's your power sliding rear glass. You also have the keyless entry.